how to import contacts from Gmail to Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can import contacts from Gmail to Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to import your contacts from your Gmail, also known as actually your Google account, to your Android phone, it's actually very simple. First of all, when you're automatically signed into your Google account on your Android phone, so most likely you must have already been signed in, right? You can go to accounts and backup, go to manage accounts. If not, then you can try to add an account and make sure that your Gmail account is selected over here. And once you've done that, automatically nowadays all of the Android phones actually have the option to import contacts by default. So whenever you open the contacts application and then you go to its settings, you should be able to see the manage contacts. You can simply choose to import contacts over here, and then you can simply select your cloud storage or your phone, or you can simply select your Gmail option in this case in order to go ahead and import contacts from Gmail. If none of these solutions work for you, you can open up your browser where your Gmail account is logged in and go to contacts.google.com. When you go to contacts.google.com, you'll be able to see all the contacts that are saved to it. So now you can just tap on this little export icon here. You can export this as a CSV and then you can import them in your contacts app on Android. There are many ways to do this. As I told you, when you have automatically synced turned on, if you log into your Gmail account, those contacts are going to get automatically imported. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.